G'day scrappers, we're out and about again. Good street scrapping. Oh, that's a heat sink off a PC. Yeah, so how's everyone going? I think if I move too many things around here, I'm going to make a mess. So it looks like just painting stuff. Oh well, got a heat sink. Yeah, so I thought I'd, it's such a beautiful day, you know, so I thought I'd come out again, do a bit of street scrapping and see what the scene's like. Yeah, who knows? Hey, there's a little battery. And another one. So, oh, it's a trick bike. Take it back and do a few tricks. Hey, got a lead acid battery. I just sent in batteries, so first one to start the new pile. All right, let's go around and yeah. Last week's street scrapping was okay. Hey, 2 ballasts. Yeah, last week's street scrapping ended up taking in the scrap metal, and I got a bit over $80 for the scrap metal, and then a bit of value from what I kept, cords, transformers and so on. So yeah, last week I made $100 for the day, and that was only a couple of hours. And even though petrol is you know, obviously very expensive at the moment, last week I probably spent $20 in petrol, and so $20 in petrol, $100 in scrap, still made $80 for the day, you know. So I reckon that's pretty good. Obviously would be a lot better if I picked up 10 PCs or so, but you know, it's just to go out and have fun, and still to make $80 for having a bit of fun. Hey, I'll take that. So yeah, there were some people that were saying, oh, you know, it's probably not worth it with the amount of cost of fuel at the moment, and I kind of agreed, but yeah, it turned out okay. Go around, $20 in fuel and make $80 profit. So let's go and have a look and see what we can get today. Look at that. How's that? 4 scrapped out PCs. Whoop. Oh well, that's a shame. Oh well, they left heat sinks and the power supply, and I know someone's going to ask me why I didn't take the towers. Nah, I can take some of the wire, but that'll do. Yeah, that's a shame. Well, this doesn't take up space. Nice heavy, but I'm not going to take them. All right, what do we got? Okay. I reckon it would have been really good to go through this stuff nice and early. It's iron early. Yeah, I reckon obviously scrappers are already picked at it, probably taken all the good stuff. I don't want to make a big mess and try and pull out some of that scrap steel. Spare wheel. Yeah, glorious day out here. Tell you what, the scrapper gods are looking after us. Lots of ballasts. Wow, that's a big pile. Big fridge, mostly furniture. Okay. Doesn't look like there's much here. Oh yeah. Let's make sure there's no PCs or anything. Nothing. Alright, we'll keep moving. Well, we've got a printer, but I think we've got a PC. Oh, vintage PC. We certainly like our beige PCs. Well, it's loaded. You can see a couple of cards. CPU, bit of RAM. Hey, first PC. Hewlett Packard. That's it. Awesome. Nice generic old school PC. Fantastic. Hey, we got one. Oh yeah. That's what we want. Nice big bars. Heavy. Nice. Oh yeah. Very hard to find good steel these days, I tell you. Oh. Someone's having a barbecue too. I can smell sausages. Oh yeah, there's scrappers pretty much everywhere, so same old, same old. It's good to see people around. Wow. Nice. Good cord, iron alley. Oh, this steel box is heavy. I'll just fill it up with scrap metal, I suppose. Well, that's cool. Beautiful. The way things are going, I'm going to have to change my name to Scrap Metal Ben. I take the cord, I can take a bit of wire, good money, yeah. But I don't generally cut the copper pipes because I don't want the gas to leak out, and it just I probably shouldn't get too many push bikes because I'll be filled up. These don't weigh much, but this little one's good. And that's just a door. Take a little one, because before you know it, I'll be going home if I fill up with push bikes. I mean, that one's worth it, scrap metal wise. Doesn't take up much room, and packs a punch. Still got the cords. Some sort of cooker. Yeah. For bread or bun warming only. Why would you bother? Okay, well, massive TV. Oh, it's one of those Sonys. Actually, I do know someone that wants one. They use them for gaming, but this is just too heavy. This is the biggest one. No one's going to want that. Oh, there's a nice cord. How's that for a cord? Oh. Nice. Look at that. There's $10 worth there. Mongoose. Gosh, a mongoose frame and forks. This is old school. I reckon some would want that. Mongoose frame. Haven't seen one of them for a while. This one will pack a punch. Wow, I thought it was chrome moly. Yeah, chrome moly 4130 mongoose. I remember them as a kid. Good BMXs. Okay, a lot of boxes. Don't know why people put actual rubbish. This isn't for just general rubbish, it's for hard rubbish. Hey, it's just plastic, tiny motor. Take the screen. Well, oh, that's a I suppose it's a big microwave. I've got to expect it to be a bit heavy when I pick it up. Okay. Oh well, few little push bikes, microwave, got me one PC, a lot of ballasts today, and some really good thick steel poles. Awesome. I'll tell you what, there is a lot of junk out here today. Obviously, you know, most of this stuff's been picked through as usual because I'm never on time. And yay, we got our first little modem. We got a few modems. Whole bag. Oh wow. Okay. See, it's always this stuff, hidden boxes, that even the professional cord cutters that go around, even they don't sometimes. Look at all that. And I need a 46 volt power supply for Marcus. 6. It's certainly not 46. I gotta. It's gonna cut me way out. Oh, that's one good sign. A copper stacker heatsink. Maybe we'll find some more PC. I'm just going to clean this whole thing out. Okay, that should do me. There's no RAM or anything like that. All right, well that wasn't too bad, was it? Just gonna have to take this whole thing. Okay. Oh well, I wasn't expecting such a big pile of cable with no cord cutting, really. Just ready to go. That's good. Excellent. This is obviously from a home that is the ultimate consumers. They need to buy one of everything. Look at that. It's all just boxed kitchen stuff and amazing. That's all they'll probably do. They're online, just clicking buttons. Yep, credit card. It's easy to pay it all on credit. All right. I actually might get this steel. It's a pretty good weight. Not bad. It's flat at least. Oh. There you go. In you get. There we go. Scrap steel Ben. These tubes are a little bit heavier, so they're kind of worth taking since I'm here. Scrap steel Ben. Okay, well, since it's just fallen onto the street, I might as well help the council out and clean up their streets for it before someone runs it over tonight. And this one, I'll keep this for scrapyard trips when I'm out of fuel. How's that? It's a little burner. You put your kerosene in there and it burns. I'm just going to leave that in case someone finds it and says, oh, I want that. So you can see what I mean by push bikes. They take up weird space, you know, so but that's okay. Yeah, just these people are so messy with their rubbish, but I suppose that's low grade. Christmas wire. Don't want the fan. Yeah, certainly wouldn't go short on timber if you had a fireplace. Iron alley. Nah, it's not brass. Yeah, it's just aluminium made to look like brass. Well, I won't be able to fit that. Nah, see? Bike took up the space. Yeah, it's good clean steel, I just don't have the space for it. All right, well, I actually headed back, so I thought I'd just do a quick one today, and it wasn't so bad. I got some scrap metal, I got my PC, I got my modem, and some cords and iron alley and all that. Yeah, it wasn't a bad, quick little street scrap, and yeah, all I'm going to do now is just sort of unload and put everything aside, or I'll think about it. I might just start loading in empty PCs once I scrap them out and just take them straight to the scrapyard in this van, because I'm using the other van tomorrow to do a pickup. So yeah, I thought, why not just do a little quick scrap today. So I hope that was a bit of fun for you guys. Yeah, it's not as exciting as some of the other areas, and finally this year I might get a chance to go to those better areas where, you know, there's always electronics and good stuff like that. So, but you know, hey, that's okay. I kept out of trouble, I had a bit of fun, it's all good. Alright guys, well, keep scrapping, and look out for the next video. It's going to probably be a little bit about the business of eWaste and how people can get into it, because I'm still getting a lot of people asking me questions on how to get into eWaste as a business and all that. So I'll try and explain a little bit in the next video. So keep scrapping, have fun, and I'll catch you then.